14 by 40 Takasawa Sharp tool room lathe. The gap beds, get about 22-inch swing in the gap. Got inch and metric threading. Right now we're at 370 RPM. Goes all the way to 1800 RPM. Go ahead and we're going to change some of the gears here. It's an 8-inch 3-jaw. That's 690. 690 RPM. Also comes with a 4-jaw chuck. 2 poles, 2 holders, coolant. Go ahead, Chase.